Okay, we're going to build a, demo agent using Retell AI. We're already logged in. We're going to go to the Agents tab here and then to create an agent. And we're just going to do a single prompt agent. We just need something simple. We're going to start from blank. And here's our agent interface. We're going to just copy and paste a real basic prompt here. It's just got, how to operate, some basic tasks, how to hang up, and then a real simple fact. We're going to save that. We're going to set the welcome message to be the AI initiates because this is going to be an inbound bot. They're going to be calling us. And we're not going to use a dynamic message. We'll just use a fixed message and we'll just say, welcome to Lima Logic. How can I help you? And we're going to go to functions and we're going to add an end call function so that it can disconnect the call when it needs to. And we're going to leave everything else just as it is. And we're going to go back out. We're going to get a phone number to assign this to. We're just going to buy a new number because it's the simplest thing. And we'll just use a 410 area code for Baltimore area, which doesn't work. All right, let's try Silicon Valley, see if it likes that. Okay, so we've got our phone number. We're going to set the inbound agent to our new single prompt agent that we just created and save that. And that's all we need to do. It's ready for inbound calls.